Hi everyone, welcome back to ARMCANDY. We've got another gorgeous Coach bag for you today. So this is the Coach Edie, but it's the Turnlock version. You can see we've got a nice Turnlock fasten for the bag. We've got double top handles and we have 4 base studs along the bottom. And then I'll open up this Turnlock so that we can see inside. And the Edie is really nice and organised. It's got some really nice compartments in it. So we've got one compartment here. You can see it's got that Coach leather badge in there. And we've got one zip pocket just there. And then we have another compartment here that has got 2 flat pockets. So one here and one there. And then we've got this really nice central section which has a zip and a Turnlock fasten for that zip, so you can see that that just slots over there, and then you can fasten that as well. So that middle section is really nice and secure, and you've got a nice bit of space in there as well. So I really like the organisation of an Edie, a Coach Edie. The condition of it is in a gorgeous condition. We've called the exterior very good, and that's mostly just, you can see probably from storage, it's just got a little bit of creasing in it. The corners are a little bit squished. But other than that, the leather is beautiful and there's no marks on it. The corners are perfect. It's in a really gorgeous condition. And that kind of creasing and the corners being a little bit squished will kind of sort itself out as you start using it, as you start putting your bits in there. You wouldn't even be able to tell. But that's why I called the exterior very good. And then the rest of it is perfect. The hardware is excellent and the interior is excellent. It's a really nice pale gold toned hardware. It's all beautiful and shiny. Even the base studs are perfect. And the interior, again, is all perfect. There is no wear at all to that interior. It is really gorgeous in there. So that is why I've called the interior and hardware excellent. It comes with Coach dust bag, and if you would like to know the exact measurements for it, if you'd like the link to shop, go to the link in the description below. It should hopefully take you straight to this bag on our website, so ARMCANDYBAG CO. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold, but we have a request list, so if you are looking out for a bag like this, if you have been, let us know, we'll get you on the request list for one, and then as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know. So that's the request list, exact measurements are on the website. I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'm the size UK 10 of 5'4", and I just really like everything about the Edie. The handles are a perfect size to just sit on your shoulder like this, and then you've got that really nice, comfortable leather section for your shoulder. It's a nice size, big enough to get loads in there, definitely all of your everyday essentials, but not too big that it's super heavy. It still feels very comfortable to wear on your shoulder. It's got all those nice compartments on the inside as well as the Turnlock, which just makes it a little bit more secure. And this colour as well I really like, this kind of dark, rich burgundy colour is perfect as we're coming into autumn and winter. So go to the link in the description below, have a look at this gorgeous bag on our website, sign up to our newsletter while you're on there and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. Have a look at the How to Sell With Us page as well if you're interested in selling your pre-loved designer bags. And don't forget, while you're here, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you very soon with some more gorgeous ARMCANDY.